Here we have the Ring Spotlight Camera Pro. It's a good quality security camera that will add to your home's safety. But I've also used a lot of the competitors' products too. So how does the Ring Spotlight Camera Pro compare to the others? After testing it myself for a while now, I've found some interesting things that could actually make this product perfect for some people. Right off the bat, I love the design. It's compact and sturdy, plus it's weather resistant too. This Ring Spotlight Camera Pro is battery powered, so it gives you the freedom to install it anywhere without worrying about wiring. Setting it up is fast and straightforward. Charge up the battery and then insert it into the camera. Then follow the instructions on the Ring app to connect with your Wi-Fi. Installing it is also really easy. It'll take just 5 or 10 minutes. Decide where you want it to go and use the wall mount and hardware that's provided. The Ring has 1080p HD video and a wide-angle camera lens, so you get really clear footage of your property. I found the view quality was great. I could see all the details. So whether you're watching your kids or checking on an unexpected visitor, you can rely on the picture to be clear. It's got a really useful bird's eye view to give you an overview of what's going on. And darkness is no problem. The Ring Spotlight Camera Pro has night vision. It uses its infrared LEDs to make things super clear even at night. The motion detection is 3D. It's also got customizable motion zones, so you can decide the areas you want to monitor closely. And also, you can set sensitivity levels in the app just to get the alerts that you want. Let's say you're worried about some gear in your backyard. You can set that area as a motion zone, and whenever there's movement there, the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro will alert you. And see these? These are 2 LED spotlights, so when any motion is detected, these spotlights turn on automatically. Plus, the Ring comes with a 110 decibel siren alarm that you can activate from your phone. If you see something suspicious happening, you can set off the alarm to scare off intruders. This is a great feature that not all spotlight cameras have. One thing I love about the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro is the two-way audio. So not only can you see and hear what's happening, but you can also speak through the camera. Having a Ring Spotlight Camera Pro gives you lots of added security when you're away. Say you're out of town, enjoying your vacation, and you have one set up for your yard. If there's any movement, you'll receive an instant alert. Then you can open up the Ring app and see what's happening, even if you're miles away. All the footage from the Camera Pro can be stored in the Ring Protect cloud. This means you can access your video history anytime, anywhere from your phone. This is a subscription service, but it's a good option and the cost is pretty affordable. Another feature is the dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity. It is compatible with both 2.4 and 5 GHz. If you're looking for smart features, the good news is the Ring Spotlight Pro is compatible with Alexa. So, for example, you can ask Alexa to show you the live view of your camera, or even communicate through the camera using your Echo devices. The Ring Spotlight Cam Pro is well designed with lots of great features. It's not just a surveillance camera with spotlights, but it also has sirens, great two-way audio, plus it's compatible with Alexa for voice control. Then there are extras like bird's eye view and customizable zones and motion detection. It's a smart choice to add to your home security. That's all for this video. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.